everyone. So this job opportunity is for 2026 batch pass out B.Tech student. So this is for a software engineering intern role by a CM company. So let's talk about this application, and I will add the link in the description itself so you can go and easily apply for it. First, so let's start filling the application. So first write your full name. So I will write my full name over here. My full name is Ashi only. Then you can add dot, or you can also write it once again if you don't have surname. Otherwise, if you have surname, then go for writing your surname over here. Then write your email address over here. Then write your phone number over here, and then upload your CV. Upload your CV or resume. After uploading it successfully, go for uploading your photo. It's not mandatory, but it's good if you upload it. And if you have cover letter, then we write it over here. Then there are some questions. Are you currently pursuing final year of B.Tech in computer science and engineering? So this is for 2026 pass out batch. So you must be in the final year. So yes. Second question is, the role is required full-time on-site work in Bangalore. So it's going to be a full-time role in the Bengaluru, and you have to come in the Bengaluru for this job role. So do you currently reside in Bangalore? So yes, I do. Then I will go for yes. And if you are not, then go for the no option. Then have you previously applied for this position? So did you previously applied for this position? And if so, if this has happened, then you are not applicable to apply it again. Okay, so I have never been applied for it, so I will go for the no option. Then are you available for 6-month internship from March to August? So if you are available, then go for the yes option, otherwise no option. And then they are asking about, please provide your GitHub link. So add your GitHub link over here, and then agree, and click on the apply now button, and here you go. So here we have successfully applied for this role. And yeah, thank you so much for being with me, and stay connected to get more updates regarding the job applications. Yeah, thank you.